In this video, we explain how our boiler quote service can help you get the boiler installation work you need at a price you can afford. Based on the pictures and information you provide, we can offer you a precise estimate. With our extensive experience in installing numerous boilers, we understand that every installation has its unique aspects, and we know all about the difficulties and benefits that come with them. The service is designed to be convenient and easy to use. All you need to do is fill out a simple online form, and we'll provide you with an instant, transparent price for the work. We will ask for details about your property, such as the type of boiler you have, the number of rooms and bathrooms, and whether you have a cylinder or tank to be removed or kept. You will also be asked to provide information about your flue, whether it is exiting on the roof or on the wall. This information will help us to see the work and give you a personalized quote. Once you've submitted the form, you will receive an instant price, but our gas engineer will review the information as well. If we have further inquiries regarding the installation of the boiler, we arrange for a gas engineer to attend to your property for a site estimate. When you accept the quote, we'll schedule a time to complete the work. Here are some of the benefits of using our boiler quotation service. You can get an instant, transparent price for the work. You can talk to an engineer online to discuss your needs. You can attach photos of your boiler to help us understand the issue. The service is free to use. We are a family-owned and operated business, so you can be sure that you're getting quality service. We are fully insured and licensed, so you can be sure that you're working with a reputable company. We offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee, so you know you're getting the best care possible. To get started, simply visit our website or give us a call. We'll be happy to help you get the boiler installation work you need at a price you can afford.